There are two types of problems in this whole world. Whole humanity is with problems. But those problems can be classified into two things. First part, materialistic problems. No money for my children's education. No money for food. Or other problems like I am not able to give good health care to my family. These are all one type of problem, but these are not the real problems. You can always ask money from someone, take it. Then the problem increases. You're taking the money, you have to pay back the loan, you have to pay these problems are always there. Then comes the second type of problem. Emotional problem, psychological problem, someone close to you has died, you are hurt emotionally. These problems are emotional. The real problems causing mental illness. There are some situations in your life which impact you so much that you are what you are by all these situations. How to deal with it, I will tell you in the end. Let's start today's story. In my third standard summer vacation, I went to my grandmother's place. I usually used to go to grandmother's house once at least in my summer vacation. After 2-3 days there came a small kitten. So before I could touch, my grandmom told, cats are strictly not allowed in the house. She shooed it away. Then came the same kitten next day. I somehow convinced my grandmother, let me keep this at least till I go. She agreed to it. I picked up the kitten. The feel I can never forget. There was a lot of power in the soul. There was this electric thing in its body. The warmth was giving so much luxury. I had it with me for a long time. I spent almost my whole day with it. Days passed. The kitten got very close. Then one fine day I decided I'll make a small house for the kitten. I bought one cardboard box. I sealed it wherever the opening was there. I put the kitten. I would close it. Kitten would feel very nice. One day, as usual, I played with the kitten. Then it wanted to sleep. I put the kitten in the box. I closed it. My friends called me for playing cricket. The kitten was sleeping. I went away. Played. I did not have a track of time. I played, then went back home after a long time. I remembered the kitten. I opened the box. The kitten was cold. The warmth in the kitten body was lost. I picked it up. The power in the soul was lost. The electrifying factor was lost. It was very cold. I tried to move. The life wasn't there. The soul had departed. I had killed a kitten. out of my foolishness. The impact of the kitten, dead kitten, has been taking toll on me even for today. I couldn't believe it was gone. Initially I thought no, it was not a big deal. It died. Then I told my grandmother to ask someone to dispose it of. When I slept, the kitten haunted me every day. By each passing day, the haunting kitten did not let me sleep. I prayed him, I'm very sorry, I didn't know. Leave me alone. He did not leave. He wanted to punish me. What wrong did I do for you to do this to me? It was right in all aspects. The emotions were getting higher and higher. Then came a day when I was sleeping. There came a large kitten shadow. I literally couldn't move. I gathered all the courage. I fell on its feet. Crying. I cried for a long time. With me cried the kitten. I wanted to be with you. Why did you do this? Anyhow, I have decided I will not come back to you again. With few drops, the shadow left me forever. I have been searching for it even today. It never came back. Probably it was angry or whatever, I don't know. But the situation was with me forever and ever. So in this, how do you understand? What do you understand by this? You are stuck with mental trauma. How do you deal with it? Dealing with such situations should be done by you. You along with your God should overcome such situations. God will help you by giving a boon to forget. As the years pass, this boon takes over you, you forget things. But even you have to support God. ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ I am finishing today's video. If you have liked it, please share, subscribe. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka.